Hi everyone, hope you're having a fantastic weekend. I just wanted to pop on and give you a quick update regarding the constructive response exams in May. So if you're preparing for a constructive response exam in May, I wanted to let you know that I'm running some focused exam masterclasses next weekend to help you get fully prepared. Now, I'm running 4 modules a little earlier than usual because I'm going to be on holiday at the end of April. So it's a great opportunity for those who are studying these modules to get ahead of your revision. So what I'm doing is on Saturday morning, I've got level 5 module 1. Saturday afternoon is level 6 module 3. And then Sunday morning, we've got level 4 module 1 and level 5 module 4 on Sunday afternoon. Now, as I said, these sessions are designed specifically for constructive response exams. So in each session, what I do is I go chapter by chapter, breaking down what the syllabus is really asking you to understand and maybe highlighting any key themes or theories that you should remember. And then we move into application. So for every sub-learning outcome, so be it 1.1, 3.2, 2.4, and so on, you'll work through a practice question for each of these sub-learning outcomes and create a mind map plan in a breakout session. The aim is that you're going to leave with a full set of ready-made answer plans that you can then use as a refresher the day before or on the morning of the exam. You'll also receive all the materials after the sessions, which include fully developed answers for those practice questions, the slide decks for the recap of the sessions. I also put in a theory cheat sheet as well, which highlights the main theories that you need to remember. And there's plenty of opportunity for you to ask me questions throughout. These sessions are live and interactive. They're not recorded or shared. So it's really about you trying to get the best value out of that moment. And for those of you that are sitting objective response exams, I've also launched a new Udemy promotion. I'm going to drop the links to the Eventbrite Masterclasses and the Udemy promotion in the comments. But the point to note is that the Udemy promotion only runs for 5 days. That's controlled by them, not me. So grab it while you can. Now, if this all sounds helpful to you, I'd love to see you there at the masterclasses next weekend. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to email me. I'll drop my email in the comments too. Thank you.